So I think third time's the charm. I'm Kaya Tillis and welcome back to my channel. You like these frames? This is my third time actually recording this footage. I did have an unboxing for you guys, but the audio was shot, so I'm back again today and hopefully everything will work out smoothly with this. I am sitting outside because I have a transition pair of glasses, as we can see. Now they are all prescription, accidentally, not on purpose. They are all cat eye. I do happen to like them all. Next time around I won't be ordering all cat eye, but they do fit my face. I like them. So they were all under $100. This was like the cheapest pair. I decided to put the transition in them just to keep the bill really low, but this frame was like $1. So this is them. This is as dark as they get. I was expecting them to get darker, but it's fine. And then I have this tortoise pair, pink tortoise. Yep. I've gotten a lot of compliments on all of them. They're definitely different. I don't think I'll ever be ordering another pair of designer frames again. Why, when I can get all of these for $100? They actually sell them without the prescription. If you wanted to just maybe say buy the frame and have your regular optical place put them in, you can do that as well. Yeah, but I'm definitely in like. I will be ordering again. These all came from Zeelool, so they all come with their own little case and cloth, so that's really good. I mean, pretty standard. Like I said, I did have an unboxing, but my footage wouldn't let me be great. So this is my favorite pair because they're blue, my favorite color. Yeah. Let's see what we can edit and put together for you guys. Comment down below if you've ever ordered from them before, or let me know which ones you like the best. I like these because like the metal on the side, it isn't really gold or silver. It's more like just metal, so it'll go with everything, and I don't think it'll tarnish as fast. So I'm just overall satisfied. I'll give them all like a 9 out of 10. Definitely, just for my first go around, and I didn't think that they would all be cat eye. I didn't pay attention to that when I ordered. So yeah, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video if you know anyone who needs cheap prescription glasses. I've included the unboxing, which is what you'll see now. If the audio goes in and out, just excuse me or skip this part. You've already seen all of the actual glasses. I do not know what happened with this footage, but here is the actual unboxing when I opened them for the first time. And it'll just be sped up. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye. Here for $100, and I'm excited to see what we are working with. One of them is actually a transition pair, so I can't wait to actually see. And it's my first transition pair ever in life, and I've been wearing glasses for like forever. So I'm actually unboxing right now, as you can see. So this is how they came. Like I said, this is my first time ever ordering from them. They all have like a plastic little case. Oh, and they come with a little measure too, because you do have to measure. I forget what it's called right now. This is a little saran wrap. I have to saran wrap them. They're doing those. No, the truth is we can actually see. So these are blue, and my favorite color. And yes, I can see. Prescription is on point. Nice and clear. Don't get me dirty. Yes, I can really see. Okay, so let's go through the package now that I have my eyes on. They gave me another coupon, two more coupons. Okay, maybe my vision is a little, might have to just adjust them since it's just a new frame. Anyway, a little tool to tighten screws and whatnot. And they all have their own case. So this is the first pair. Pair number 2. I don't even do pink like that. Little like pink and brown tortoise action. The cat eye. Was the first pair cat eye-ish?
I feel like real, with my shortcut that I'm about to go back out, I feel real sophisticated in these frames. Like, I'm definitely auntie right now. Okay, period. Okay, and these are the transitions. This frame was like $3, y'all. I gotta pull up my order so y'all can see. This was like $3. I got 3 pair of glasses for $100. $100. And I kind of was just ordering a lot of things I wanted were sold out. $3. Get out of here. Seem a little weak. Oh, they seem they might break easily. Fragile. Maybe something I need to. Oh yeah, they do seem fragile. Be careful with these little cheap glasses, huh? Don't get what you pay. Anyway, I'm ready for daylight. Oh, to go outside to see how they're gonna transition. I'm kind of irritated. I got like all the same shape, but I do want to order more. I kind of was like ordering some stuff just to see like how I would like them, if I would be able to see through them. So I need to probably wear them for a day, see if I get a headache and things like that. Just because I mean I've never had glasses before, so that may happen. But I think right now I'm satisfied with the overall look and everything. I don't know. I'll have to like get up and look in the mirror and stuff. But from what I can see right now, I mean I guess they're okay. I don't know. I think the blue pair is definitely the favorite. The favorite pair. It's these bad boys right here. But they kind of just all I ordered like all the same shape, huh? Not on purpose. They're giving me all cat eye. I'm not even a cat eye type of person. But 3 pair of seeing glasses for $100. So what about y'all look? Now I have a ooh, get up and put the camera over. Don't fall asleep at these, sleepy on. Alright, good night.
So thanks for tuning into this video. If you found it useful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you stay tuned for more packages that's on the way during this pandemic we got going on. Don't forget to vote, y'all. Okay, please. Yeah, I'll be back with more real soon.